أهلاً ومرحبا. My name is Nezha. I am a professional Arabic teacher and a native speaker of Arabic. I created this channel Arabic for You to help you learn how to speak, write, and read Arabic just like an Arab. And this is a video from one of my full online courses. I hope you like it. Hello and marhaba. In this video, we are going to learn some basic greetings and how you can introduce yourself. So let's start. To say hello, my name is Nezha. In Arabic, we say marhaba, ismi Nezha. Marhaba means hello, as we covered before. Ism means name. E at the end means my. If you look at the sentence structure, you will see that we use name, my, and we attach the my to the word name. We also don't use the verb to be. So you don't see any is in this sentence. I usually use marhaba, and the reason for that is because this word is used by all Arabs, whether they're Christians, Muslims, or Jews. Versus Assalamu alaikum, meaning word for word, the peace upon you, which is used only by Muslims. And it's the same thing as in English when you say peace be upon you. And you notice again that we are not using the verb to be in this sentence. The other thing is that Assalamu alaikum has a specific reply. So when somebody greets you with Assalamu alaikum, you should answer wa alaykum assalam, wa alaykum assalam, which translates into and upon you peace, and upon you peace. So let's practice one more time. Marhaba, ismi, then you put your first name. Marhaba, ismi Nezha. Marhaba, ismi Nezha. Assalamu alaikum, ismi Nezha. Assalamu alaikum, ismi Nezha. And the answer would be wa alaykum assalam. Wa alaykum assalam. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. If you found this video beneficial to you, please like it and share it. If you would like to learn Arabic from a professional Arabic teacher with 20+ years of experience teaching thousands of students, please subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading videos every Tuesday and Friday. You are also welcome to check out my full online courses linked in the description below. For coupons, check out my Instagram. See you in the next video. إلى اللقاء.